What is up, guys? Welcome to today's recap. I didn't take anything today. Price action was pretty mid. Not much to see or like to go over. But going into today, I was 50-50. We had a very we had already rebalanced equilibrium of the range of the biggest range that we got. We currently have an SMT with a low that rebalance equilibrium. Um, And I said NQ could also sweep that low and then go higher, also tap OTE. And I did say that for some reason I feel like we reversed the whole news leg back down, but we'll have to see and I will trade what is being shown to me. Um, Market open, we open higher, we sweep out this highs and tap a 15-minute fair value up. Mm, Then we trade lower, and I was bullish at this point. We have all of these highs here. We have swept this, and if we start distributing from here, I'll be bullish. But if we just keep on dumping, I would expect this whole leg to get reversed on. We ended up kind of reversing, but chopping around. There really wasn't much. Um, we ended up yes putting equal lows here. The fuck is wrong with this shit? And Enki swept it, so it's technically an SMT. And then boom, we trade higher. And the first trade that I was looking at, now I wasn't really the biggest fan of it, just because it is a continuation trade and it was pretty premium. But it was this 1 minute wick um that aligned with 10 a.m. open here, and also this breaker block here. So that was something that I was looking at. That ended up kind of would have been break-even trade, maybe take profit, partial. I don't know. I would have gotten stopped out of break-even though. There, uh, we did get an SMT here with this high right there, so that is what sent us lower. And we also respected the C of this 5 minute order block, which aligned with midnight open. So that's shorts there weren't too bad, honestly. Weren't too bad. Were not too bad. Then we trade lower. Um, And I was looking at this 15-minute wick that we put in for potential longs. We never ended up going there actually. We ended up just chopping around. And a trade which I was looking at and I was considering taking a lot. And honestly, I probably should have taken it. I just didn't take it out of fear of losing. Um, it was this 1 minute wick here. We ended up tapping the 5 minute CIST, the 15-minute wick, OTE of the range. We respected this 5 minute fair value gap, and then we got this 1 minute wick here. And when I was looking at this to me looked like something that is going to react off. Like I knew that, oh, we're probably gonna get a reaction out of this wick. And we did get a reaction. I would have gotten stopped out of break even on this trade, as you can see, but uh yeah, I just didn't take this. Looking back, I probably should have taken it. And then we ended up getting a 5 minute wick here. It's a bit of a weird one, yeah. Uh, but yeah, this is a trade that I should have taken now that I look back on it. And I told myself, oh fuck, bro. Like I was fearful and I didn't take this trade when I was, especially when we were like there. I thought I was gonna miss out, but yeah, we ended up just stopping around. And then I wasn't the biggest fan of shorts just because I was more bullish. But I was looking at possible shorts from here. We had the 5 minute order block 50 minute RVOTE, 1 minute order block. We have like this EL, um, LR, accumulation, whatever. And if you had a 20-point stop here, yo, these new things are such a pain in the ass. Like, I don't know why it's moving by like the increments or I don't know, whatever. Gotta get used to it. It's very annoying, but yeah. Uh, yeah, 20-point stop would have been a break-even trade, but if you had a 10-point stop, then you would have gotten stopped out. Uh, but yeah. Then we trade higher, and there really wasn't much. I just hopped off. I was not gonna be trading this. That's horrible AM session, or like past 10 a.m. at least. Really mid-price action, really choppy. Not the distribution that I was looking for. And yeah, so I didn't take anything. Uh, I didn't even look up PM or anything. But yeah, like not much to go over in this chop. But that is it for today. Quick recap and peace out.